Hello everybody, it's Rachel and welcome back. So in today's video I am going to do a review on this Tarte Sugar Rush Goals palette, and I got this for Christmas, so I've been using it for quite a little while and I just wanted to do a review on it because it's not very expensive. So this is a 36 pan eyeshadow palette, and I just kind of want to touch on the fact that it has almost it's like a very versatile palette. And what I will say about it is that it's not very pigmented, but wait, before you like stop in your tracks, but it's not underly pigmented. It's kind of perfectly in the middle. And some of those shadows are actually maybe a little bit less, but what I will say about that is that some of the ones that are like almost would be like too intimidating to try, I would recommend this palette because they're not overly pigmented to the point where they're really hard to work with, but they're evenly pigmented to the point where you can build them up, work with them slowly, and you're not going to be overwhelmed with it. This palette retails for $27, so in retrospect, for 36 eyeshadows from Tarte, cruelty-free, vegan, and super cute packaging, you're getting a lot for your money. I've been wearing it and I've done quite a bit of things with this, and there's plenty of mattes in here and plenty of shimmers and plenty of satins, and I just think that it's actually something worth your money. Like if you don't have a vast majority of palettes and you're just trying to build things up, but you're looking for a little bit, you know, higher end products, I would definitely recommend this palette. The shadows that I've used the most, I've used basically almost all of the purples in here. They do have names, and so that makes a very big difference until some people. There was a divider here in the middle, but I just tore that out because I don't care. But there's a good variety for just like an everyday look, and then fun colors over here, but they're not like super in your face. You could definitely incorporate these for an everyday look if you just kind of want to be a little bit more adventurous and fun. Some of the shades in here that I like always gravitate towards are these two over here. This one is, and this one, this is TFW and City Lights. They are absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and swatch them. I just always want to put these on my lid when you're looking for that kind of lid shimmer, and I like them because they, like, one's a champagne and one's kind of like a more pinkier champagne, golden, and one's, okay, let me rephrase that. One's a more golden champagne and one's more pink champagne, and I would say they're perfect for the wearable everyday shimmer. And then you have like the golden ones that are over here on this side, and you have like some mustard tones and yellows that are not too crazy intimidating. I just really think that this is something to dive into if you don't want to, like, if you want a good palette that's like almost everything that you, I don't really know how to say that. If you're looking for one that has good color and a variety of color, but you want it to be more of a staple palette, this is something that I would recommend. I would probably give this a total of 4 stars. I would not give it a total of 5 stars just because it's not a 5-star palette. I would think that that would be something that would have to be really, really up there. But what I would say about this is the reason that it's 4 stars is because it has so much variety. You could definitely travel with this. It's very tiny, very compact. It's like, I mean, look, here's like a naked palette, so like, and it's thin too, so it has that versatility. You have so much for options and variety in this, and I am so excited. My husband actually got this for me for Christmas, and when I got it, I was like, wow, I'm like impressed. I don't have anything. I mean, like, I have Tarte products, but I don't have anything from the Sugar Rush line, and I was just like so like happy that he got this because he kind of went to Ulta like blindly and just kind of bought some stuff, and I was so excited. So I must say that I am partial to Tarte. I really love Tarte products. They're probably my most favorite brand, just because their mission is really nice. They have a very good, you know, cruelty-free, vegan. They have a lot of good products out there, and I have quite a bit from them. But that aside, I would recommend this for any beginners, for people trying to start out, or even just like somebody looking for something new. I would get this. So I have done quite a bit of different looks with this. The shadows that I have played with the most, I've played with this one. It's called, I'm not really sure how to say that. Ochre? I feel so silly saying that. This one, I played with all the purples in this side. I've just barely kind of ventured over here, surprisingly, to the nudes, but there is so much you can do with this. This is just going to be a quick review because I kind of want you to be like yes or no, and I would definitely give it a thumbs up and bite the bullet for this. So I'm going to swatch some of the purples because I know people like have some opinions about purples, but what I will say is they are buildable purples to the point you have to kind of build them up. So I have swatched Feel and Fly, Love and Peace. So let's go ahead. I'm going to put them on my arm here. Let's pull my shirt down a bit. So let's see. There's that one. Okay, so this one is Feeling Fly. Come on, stop focusing on my face. This is Feeling Fly. This one is Love, and this one is Peace. So Peace is probably the most lightest, but I would say with any lavender purple, you're definitely going to have to build it up or use a really nice sticky base. That's just, I've never seen a lavender purple that's like super crazy pigmented, and if there is, I don't have it. But, so let's swatch some of the things on this side. I'm going to do Selfie, because I haven't played with that one yet. And then I will do Drop Top and IRL. So I did 2 mattes and a shimmer. So that is those. So we have Selfie, which is the gold one, Drop Top, and IRL. So they're actually very good mattes. From the mattes that I have used, I've used mostly like the transition shades. I've used Always and LA. Always is right here and LA is right here. And so far I really like those. Those are just like a simple transition shade. I can say that, shade. Transition shade. Say that 10 times fast because I already failed it once. Twice actually. So I'm just going to leave this a quick and short review. My final thoughts are definitely 2 thumbs up. This is it's not a staple palette in like any like something that you're gonna have to go out and get. I don't ever recommend going out, oh my gosh, you have to get this, it's so great. Hardly ever. I mean, sometimes, but it's really unique products when that happens. So, but I would recommend this if you are really trying, if you are debating on getting this and that's why you found this video, I would definitely get it because you won't be disappointed. And if you're looking for something like this, this is exactly what you need. It's like, especially if you're new to the cruelty-free journey, definitely Tarte is a good place to definitely come. They're very, very, very cruelty-free friendly. And so yeah, I'm not going to drag on anymore because I don't really know what else to say. But with that being said, this is the Sugar Rush Goals palette, and I highly recommend it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm not really sure what else to say because it's just a quick and short review. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.